Hello everyone, welcome to YellowGreys. In this video, I will show you how to use generic value variable. The generic value variable is a type of variable that can store any kind of data, including text, numbers, dates, and arrays, and is particular to UiPath Studio. Generic value variables are automatically converted to other types in order to perform certain actions. I will demonstrate how the UiPath automatically converted the input to a data type. Let me create different types of variable with generic value variable type. I will create variable name A and provide a default string value. Then I will create one more variable B and provide a default string value. Then create variable name C and provide a default integer value. Then I will create one more variable name D and provide a default integer value. Let me add 4 right line into the workflow designer panel to see the result. Let me add variables A and B together. Then I will add variables C and D together, and I will add variables A and C together and C and A together. So here all the variable types are generic, am I right? So what bot will do here? If there is two string in both variables, it will concatenate the strings. If both variables are integers, the bot will do the addition because they are both integers. Am I right? If variables have different data types, which means one variable type is a string and another is an integer. So in this case, the bot will concatenate both the variables. In another situation, if variables have different data types, which means one variable type is an integer and another is a string. So in this case, the bot will do the addition. I hope you understand how the bot recognizes the data types if we use generic value. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and support. Connect with us for more tutorials.